Okay guys, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc. This time we have the topic of how to add poster and contact photo in your iPhone. So there's the possibility of adding it to your own profile and to someone else, but I assume that you want to do it for someone else. So let me just begin with that at first. So just open up the Contacts app. You can see it is this Contacts app right here, and I just located like a random mock or like a random contact which I have. Anyways, if you want to just edit it, all you have to do is just click on edit like this, tap on edit, and you can edit the first name, the company, or whatever you want to use, preferred line if you have the dual SIM option enabled. But I just want you to click on the edit button under the photo like this. So I want you to click on that, and now the way that it works is that it got very similar to the view of your lock screen. Because the thing is that the wallpapers on iPhones no longer have or are not separated. They come in pairs. So lock screen and home screen wallpapers are tied in together. And the same stuff happens for the contact. So contact photo, like the profile picture, and the contact poster come in a pair. So you can switch to a new one and create another one as well. But this profile picture pertains to this poster view. They come in together, so you can customize them and you can choose which one you want to customize, but they are put in together. So let's say we just create a new one. We choose at first the poster, so it can be whatever you want, like random picture. Let's say it's just going to be this one right here. It's just like a city or whatever. So hit done like that, and now the poster is right here. Now we have to choose the contact photo, which can be the same one or a different one. It does not matter. So we can choose it like this, and yeah, we have a different poster again with the contact photo. So contact photo and poster, the whole point is that it is tied in together. You can choose it separately, but they have to be put together. So you can switch to this one right here, and this is the one that I use now. Or I don't like this one anymore, I'm switching it to this one, but they can only be as in the pair, which is a little bit weird and kind of different, but yeah, this is just how it works now. So basically doing it for yourself is very similar. It's the same stuff, but you just don't choose someone else's contact and a poster, but you just choose your own card, which shows up at the top of the list of all of the available contacts. But the stuff and the process is exactly the same. So this is basically how you can add poster and contact photo in your iPhone. Hope you found this video useful. If yes, then you're definitely going to be able to find the Foxtecc educational platform, which I created for you for free. Very useful as well. So inside you can watch many different courses. There is the full course on video editing for social media, which I just worked on, so you can join and watch it for free. And there are also like different courses. There is the full guide for dynamic guidelines, so in case you have an iPhone with this stuff at the top, make sure to watch the course so you get the most out of it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hit the thumbs up. See you guys inside of the platform.